Windows 11 isn't just about a sleek design, it's packed with features that can help you stay organized, focused, and efficient. Whether you're working from home, studying, or just trying to manage your tasks better, these productivity tips for 2025 will help you get the most out of your PC. First, take advantage of snap layouts and snap groups. These tools make multitasking simple by allowing you to organize multiple windows on your screen with just a few clicks. You can snap apps side by side, create custom layouts, and switch between groups effortlessly. It's perfect for managing work, research, and communication all at once. Next, use virtual desktops to separate different areas of your life. You can set up one desktop for work, another for school or personal projects, and even one for entertainment. Switching between desktops is fast and keeps your tasks organized without cluttering your main screen. You can even customize wallpapers for each desktop to make it visually clear which one you're on. Focus Sessions in the Clock app is another great feature for productivity. It helps you stay on task by allowing you to set work timers, integrate your tasks from Microsoft To Do, and play calming background sounds. This built-in Pomodoro-style system keeps distractions to a minimum and helps you maintain focus throughout the day. For managing text and data efficiently, enable clipboard history by pressing Windows plus V. This feature saves everything you copy, not just the last item, and lets you pin important items for repeated use. It's a small trick that can save you a lot of time if you often copy and paste across multiple documents or apps. Widgets are also worth using to boost productivity. They provide quick access to important information like calendar events, reminders, weather updates, and news. You can customize them to show exactly what matters most to you, reducing the need to open multiple apps. Keyboard shortcuts are a hidden productivity booster. For example, Windows plus Z opens snap layouts, Windows plus W opens the widgets panel, and Windows plus N opens the notification center. Learning these shortcuts allows you to navigate Windows 11 faster and work more efficiently. Finally, consider using Power Toys for advanced productivity. Tools like Fancy Zones for custom window layouts and Power Rename for batch renaming files make repetitive tasks easier and faster. Even though it's a separate download, Power Toys integrates seamlessly with Windows 11 and enhances your workflow significantly. With these tips, Windows 11 in 2025 can help you work smarter, not harder. From organizing your screen with snap layouts to staying focused with focus sessions and using handy shortcuts, these features are designed to make your day more efficient. If you found these productivity tips helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more Windows 11 guides. Thanks for watching!